Let's take a look at this problem. We got natural log of xy minus y to the fourth equals 7x squared plus 3. And I don't think that's going to work. I put a new piece of paper down for my little tablet, but doesn't feel right. So let me try this. Okay, first thing, I'm going to split this up. We got log of something times something. Multiplication becomes addition. So we got natural log of x plus natural log of y minus y to the fourth is equal to 7x to the third plus 3. And I want to find derivative dy dx implicitly. So we're going to take derivative of everything where it's sitting. So we'll take derivative with respect to x of natural log of x plus the derivative with respect to x of natural log of y plus the derivative with respect to x of negative y to the fourth equals the derivative with respect to x of 7x to the third plus the derivative with respect to x of 3. Okay, well the derivative of natural log of x is 1 over x plus the derivative of natural log of y is 1 over y, but then we have to throw a y prime on. Remember, if we're taking derivative with respect to x and it's really a y, we have to add on a y prime. Minus derivative of y to the fourth is 4y to the third, but we have to add on a y prime. Equals the derivative of 7x to the third is 21x squared, and derivative of 3 is 0, so that drops away. Now we got 5 steps for solving for y prime. Our first step is get rid of parentheses, don't have any. Second step is get rid of fractions. Multiply everything by the LCM of all your denominators. We got 2 denominators, the x and the y, so our LCM will be xy. So we're going to multiply everything by xy. We'll multiply the 1 over x by it. We'll multiply the 1 over y prime by it. We'll multiply the negative 4 y to the third y prime by it. And we'll multiply the 21 x squared by it. Well, over here, these x's cancel and these y's cancel. So we're left with y plus xy prime. Positive times a negative is negative, 4, and then we got an x. Y times y to the third is y to the fourth, and then we have a y prime. Equals 21. X times x squared is x to the third, y. Now let me double check that. Minus 4x y to the fourth, y prime, equals 21 x to the third. Okay, that looks good. Okay, that was the second step in solving for y prime. Third step for solving y prime is get everything with the y prime on one side, everything else on the other side. So I'm going to take this y and move it over to the right side. Then everything with the y prime will be on the left side. So we got x y prime minus 4x y to the fourth y prime equals 21x to the third y minus y. Remember, you take anything across your equals, your sign changes. Step 4, factor out y prime. So factor out y prime, and that leaves us x minus 4x y to the fourth equals 21x to the third y minus y. Our fifth step is to divide everything by what's in front of / back of y prime. Well, there's nothing in front of it, but there's an x minus 4x y to the fourth after. So I divide both sides by that. And when I do that, start talking too soon. Let me get this written down. There we go. I notice on the left side, this cancels with this. And we get y prime is equal to 21x to the third y minus y over x minus 4x y to the fourth. I could factor a y out of the top part, but it wouldn't benefit me much. Now I could factor an x out of the bottom part, but again, it wouldn't benefit me very much. So that's my answer.